you make it over there?
You're a big boy.
Look at out there.
What's
look at outside. Who is here?
Who left that?
Easter Bunny. The Easter Bunny left this.
Did he?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll have to open it with your scissors. Oh, there's a dancer there. There's a dancer there.
There is.
And another dancer there.
Yeah.
And another dancer there. And another dancer.
Oh my goodness. Should we open? Oh my gosh. Do you think he heard you when you said you wanted dinosaurs?
Yeah.
Yeah. That was nice, huh? Is he nice?
Yeah.
Did you have to be a nice boy for the Easter Bunny to come?
Yeah.
Were you nice?
I'll open this.
You want to open that?
You want to open that? You want that first or your cereal?
That.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. Which one, huh? Okay. Grandpa will open the patio door.
Okay, you go bring him in.
Yeah, he'll freeze out there.
Whoa!
Uh-oh.
Easter Bunny made a mess?
Yeah.
There. Now that is Easter Bunny.
Bring that one.
Whoa.
This.
Whoa.
Is it too big for you?
And open it.
Can I come on the carpet?
Yeah. Need that.
Just go right over here.
Yeah.
Here, I'll take that zip tie off.
Oh, oh. Yeah. Got you hole in it. Wow.
Whoa. Easter Bunny.
Uh-oh, looks like it come apart already. There you go, grab that. Grab that. Grab that. You want the dinosaurs out already?
What do we need to get all that stuff out, though?
Honey, I think you have to twist tie them off or
Yep.
cut it.
I think we need a scissors, don't we?
Yeah, we gotta get the scissors.
Can you?
What's in there?
Yeah. Can you look at Mom and say Happy Easter?
Happy Easter. I
Whoa.
want one of those.
What else you got there? On the floor.
All right. This is part 1 of Easter.
That's it.